In this video, I will guide you how to type Sigma symbol in Excel. The first method is go to the insert and on the right side you will see that symbol. Go to the symbol and in the font section you need to select normal text and in the subset you need to find Greek and Coptic. And in the character code you need to type 03A3 and your cursor will be routed to the Sigma symbol, and here it is. Click on that and click on insert and close, and this is what you can see, that Sigma symbol is inserted. Another way is that you need to go to the search icon and type character map. Click on that and in the search box you need to type Sigma and click search, and you will see that Sigma symbol over here. You need to click select and copy and close it, and now Control V to paste it. If you want to type small Sigma symbol, then again go to the character map and type Sigma, click search, and here the small Sigma symbol, select, copy and close it and Control V. Another way is that type S and move the cursor to the second cell and then select the first cell again and go to the font section and change the font calibrate to symbol and hit enter, and here Sigma symbol is inserted. So with these method, I hope you understand how you can type Sigma symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.